So it seems although spring has sprung and all of these sellers now want to list their property, which is very predictable, especially when you have a little bit of slower sales at the beginning. There's definitely some pent-up demand. I've seen a lot of subject to sale of buyer's home clauses out there, so we're seeing people trying to get their property sold. So we had a ton of new listings come on the marketplace.
A ton of new listings.
Yeah, so that's reflective in the numbers that you'll
crazy.
see coming up here. But the nice thing is that absorption rates haven't shifted that much, which means that sales are keeping pace. So we've definitely seen a bump up in sales. We're definitely not at last year's volume right now, but things are starting to happen, and we hope to see, as the weather gets better, it's supposed to be a phenomenal week, that it continues to bring more buyers out. But it's a matter of getting the sellers to get more realistic with their pricing to match the expectations of the buyers. So, and this is going to be on you guys a whole bunch in terms of educating your clients and helping them understand what the impact of interest rates are. We had good news where the Bank of Canada did not raise their interest rates.
Yet.
So that's great. No, yet, but we got to wait again. They didn't do it this last time. So, so there is some good news stuff, and it's cool to see that although the absorption rate changed a little bit, it was basically flat even though we had this influx of listings.
Well, by the sounds of it, I mean, a month ago, people were just complaining and complaining about nobody going through open houses, and it sounds like now they're bumping.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's fantastic news. That's just a great sign that at least people are out and about on the weekends showing some interest.
Yeah, so if you were skunked at a few open houses, get back out there. The buyers are coming back out. Okay, let's look at the hard numbers. Starting off with the price of oil, still staying strong here. It's at $68.26 a barrel, and the Canadian dollar is sitting at $78.40 a barrel. Both of those remaining slightly changed, but not huge.
Like we mentioned, with number of listings, they are skyrocketing in Calgary since our last update. Metro Calgary is up 306, sitting at 7,289. And in Red Deer, listings are up 11 at 744.
As for the months of inventory in the Calgary area, it is down slightly to 4.82, obviously sitting in a buyer's market there. Single-family homes, tail end of balanced, 3.92, and condos sitting heavily in a buyer's market at 6.76 months of inventory. Keep in mind that you need to check micro markets there, check the what detached is doing versus attached, and even in price ranges to get a better idea of what the markets are doing in various price ranges.
Surrounding areas, months of inventory, again, like Lindsey had mentioned, mostly stable in our surrounding areas as well. In Okotoks, 6.95, Airdrie 5.86, Cochrane 7.22, Strathmore 8.7, Sundre 19.8, Chestermere 7.82, and Red Deer is at 5.38. Our benchmark price is $435,600, and in Red Deer, our average price for a single-family home is $342,223, and our condos are at $211,180.
So obviously, make sure you guys educate your sellers, keep working with them, and get out there and meet the buyers. The weather's nice, and I think people are finally getting back in the marketplace, which is great to see.
Absolutely.
All right.
Love it.
So going on in the company.